Welcome back. We are now halfway through our journey through Chautauqua National Wildlife Refuge, and already we've had our fair share of challenges. Not the least of these was my camera failing on me. Now I find myself strapping on a pair of binoculars to my smartphone and calling it Zoom. Earlier this summer, I received a package from the American Birding Association as part of entering in the Young Birder of the Year contest. We return and search for the secretive Carolina wren in hopes to photograph it. But will I manage to come home with a keeper photograph? Keep watching to find out. It was very loud and right here. The probable Carolina wren. It's where I saw the Carolina wren. I gotta try to spot it. Try to photograph it with a point and shoot. It was right around here. Nothing. Maybe it was past this. Well, no luck. I'm really glad I saw it though. It was right on the ground here in this lumber. Last time I saw one of those, it was up high in a tree canopy. This is awesome though. This is what I have to deal with, folks. And honestly, my vision isn't all that much better. Lock it there and look straight in that direction and see. Guys, you have no idea how hard this is. Switch to the other binoculars. Ring-billed gull. I can't make out whatever it was I was looking at. A lot of smaller dabbling ducks there with flashes of white on the wings as they fly. After 40 minutes of scanning the marsh, we decided it was time to hit the road again and move on to the next part of the wildlife refuge. Just down the road that we were on? Alright.
If we leave now, we get home at 10:26.
Oh, because they want it free to turn around. You can park here, I'm sure.
I like that. What's the sign here? Yeah. Look at see, you can get a picture with the frame, see?
Huh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Fix that right here. Isn't this incredible? You might. Wait.
This is the boat lock. I want to fix.
So much waterfowl. How can one person count? Okay. That sounded different. Hear that reet? Reet? Shorebird reet? I scanned the mudflats at length, trying my best to make out the shorebirds. But I just couldn't. Eyes straining, with dark closing in, we finally called it quits and headed back to the car. Yeah, it's waiting for me. Top of the hill. I'm supposed to do this. Just look at the mudflats. They're so vast. It's incredible. Yes, they're covered in shorebirds. But at least 95% of them I am completely unable to identify. I'm supposed to fill out a field notebook with notes about the very
the details and characteristics of the bird that determine its identity when I can't see well enough to pick out those characteristics. There's just no way. But I have to go now. It's super late and we're going to be getting back like 11 or something.
He's getting the same shot that we are. Should I just get out and take a quick one?
Oh man.
There you go.
Wow.
That's cool with the
Getting this shot with my phone wasn't easy. It took careful editing to compile 2 photos to be able to illuminate the shadowy areas and yet well expose the sunset without any washed out highlights.
I can't do it.
The results might surprise you. So in the end, I did end up coming home with a keeper photograph after all. This trip presented many difficult challenges, but challenges are how we grow. Chautauqua National Wildlife Refuge is a beautiful wildlife refuge, and even though I couldn't identify every bird I encountered, the landscape alone was well worth the drive down. And I did end up seeing 2 amazing birds that I had never seen before. In the days following our visit to Chautauqua, I began to relearn the art and joy of digibinning, a technique I used to photograph birds several years ago prior to getting my current camera. And let me tell you, I've never had so much fun photographing birds until now as I relearn this technique. If you want to follow along in that journey, now's probably a pretty good time to subscribe if you haven't already. Just saying. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
So now, for whatever reason, my GoPro refuses to work.
Wait, stop. Stop here. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man, I wasn't recording. I'm just kidding.